Hi there, Abe here from Brace Tool. Our assembly team just finished building a 3-inch dual wireline valve and are just about done with this triple wireline valve for one of our customers. The wireline valves that we offer comes in multiple sizes, 3-inch, 4-16, and 5-1/8. And this one here is a 3-inch triple body design. And all of our wireline valves are rated both for 5,000 and 10,000 PSI in single, dual, and triple body design. And our team are just about to get started with this 4-16 single body. One of the reasons why our customers choose Brace Tool is not only because of the build quality of our equipment, but because we strive to provide the best customer service that we can to every customer. Our product specialists make sure to communicate with our customers well and try to provide the most suitable solutions for every application that they need. Our operations team is working diligently in the background to make sure that all orders are being fulfilled on time, no matter what. And we make it a goal to provide the parts that our customers need to service their equipment whenever they need it. So again, for any surface equipment needs, just know that Brace Tool is here to support you. You can contact our product specialists through our website contact page, and we're looking forward to serving you.